Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a little haul for you guys. I don't know if you've ever heard of Miss A. It is a website where you can buy really inexpensive makeup items, makeup tools, like brushes, sponges, just a bunch of random stuff. So I was actually watching a Sylvia, I don't know how you say her last name, Sylvia Gainey or I don't know, I feel horrible. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I was watching one of her makeup videos and she was using a highlighter brush and she said it was an AOA, I believe is the brand for this makeup. And I like looked it up and I'm like, oh my gosh, this brush is $1. So I was like, all right, I want to give that a shot. And then once I went on there and added that to my cart, I started looking around and I found a bunch of random stuff. So I thought I would come on and show you guys what I got and let you know my opinions of it. I've never ordered from it before, so I wanted to see the quality. I honestly don't even remember what all I ordered. It only took, I want to say a week, maybe like a little over a week to get, which I didn't think was bad. So if you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and hit thumbs up if you like videos like this, and let's get into it. So all right, I just went to the mailbox and I had these 2 bags here. So all I did was cut the top part open just so that it was a little easier, so I didn't have to do that on camera. So let's see what I got. So, all right, here is the slip. I'm not even gonna look at it because I want to be surprised because I forgot what I ordered. So it all comes, this one is in a bag like this. And let's see here. Not only is it wrapped in this, it's also wrapped in this. Oh my goodness gracious. Why does this feel like everything? Why did I get 2 bags? Did they send me 2 of the same order? You guys. They totally sent me 2 of the same thing. I literally got double of everything. I feel really guilty. What? Well, I'm gonna have to call them because I feel really guilty and I don't know if I can keep that. Okay, so the first thing I ordered was, this is an angled.
Mommy.
Yeah.
That's my book.
I gotta show you guys something, all right? So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I have 2 little ones at home. So my little 2-year-old, this,
No, that's mine.
yeah, I know it's yours. This is her favorite book. So this was mine when I was little. It's a pretty old one, and when she got this book, it was in perfect condition, and she likes to sleep with it. So it seems like every night she likes to tear out a new page. The cover's completely off. So yeah, do your kids do any random weird things or sleep with any weird items? I mean, I think it's funny, but so every night when we go to bed, she has to have that book. Anyways, okay, so the first thing I got, this is from AOA Studio, and this is the angled. I originally got this for my eyebrows. So yeah, I originally got it for my eyebrows, but I'm thinking it's not gonna be right. I need like a really densely packed brush for my eyebrows, and this kind of reminds me of the ColourPop one that I have. And this one is very big. I read the reviews and people said it was kind of large for eyebrows, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And the next thing I got, so this is the reason I went on this website, because I wanted to get this brush. This is AOA Studio. This is an F19 brush. And this is what I saw Sylvia using as her highlight brush. And I thought that looked really cool. I just liked how it looked like it would apply really nice. And the fact that it was only $1. So I was like, I want to give it a shot. And it's huge. These brushes are huge. Doesn't that look really big? The next thing I got was, what did I order? I cannot believe I got double of everything. That is just crazy. Has anyone ever ordered from them, and has that ever happened to you before? I just thought it was crazy. Okay, so this is the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in the color Fairy. And that's what it looks like. And there was so many different colors to choose from, but my daughter is in a fairy stage right now, so I was like, let's go with fairy. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It does feel very dry, but I mean, it's got kind of a lot of color, so let's see what it looks like here. Okay, I mean, it's not the most glamorous. It's pretty gold and it's kind of chalky. But you know how some of those baked highlighters, you kind of have to scratch off the top to get like any pigment? I'm gonna go ahead and try this brush and see if I can get any color. It is kind of powdery. I mean, you see anything? It's not any crazy color, but it might be like a good everyday highlight. And for $1, I'm sorry, but my initial thing, I was like, you know what? This would be great makeup for my kids because my girls like to play with my makeup. And not all of it is nice makeup, but some of it is. And I'm like, you know, it's pretty. I got... So this is another AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and I got this in the color Brightening. So let's see here, let me get this open. So this is what that looks like. AOA looks like that. Ooh. And then we open it up, and oh good, there is a little sticker on there, so that's nice. So I'm letting my daughter play with my makeup brushes right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same highlight brush and just see how this works with setting the face. I just wanna see like how it feels. I haven't set my under eyes or anything yet, and I just did my makeup, so. This brush actually works really good for under the eyes too. It's like the perfect size. So I mean, yeah, this powder, it's super fine. I actually really like it. It's really silky. This might actually be a good find. I will say like the packaging is kind of cheap, but it's $1. The products so far I'm liking. Next I got, this is LA Colors Nail Duet. And I figured why not try some nail polish. They looked a lot bigger on the website, but it came with 2. How is this in there? Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. And you just have 2 little nail polishes in there, and then this pops off like that, and then you just have the 2 little guys like that. So I mean, they're really tiny, but yeah, so just a normal little brush there. So it's like this color, and then you could use this one as like a little accent nail color. And this was only $1 too. Pretty sure every single thing I ordered was $1, which is crazy. Yeah, I was kind of excited about this. This is a brush cleaner. AOA Studio. It's a dry makeup removing sponge that allows you to remove pigment from your brushes without using water. Swirl your makeup brush in a circular motion against the cleaning sponge to remove the color. To clean and reuse it, just add soap, run it under water, squeeze it out, and let it dry. Okay, how do you open this bad boy? All right, so literally, that's all that is, you guys. It's just like a little whatever. So it's just like a little sponge thingy inside of this, and I guess you're just supposed to, like, if you're doing eye makeup and you use a dark color, you just swirl it in here, and then oh wow, yeah, it definitely is taking all the pigment off. So yeah, it just took all the color that I used on here, and now it's kind of on there. So that's kind of cool. It's like a little quick fix if you just doing your makeup and you want to use the same brush but you want to use a different color. All right, so the next thing I got, this is a blender base. I had seen these on there, and oh, what did I do with my beauty blender? It's just a little, oh, how flippin' cute is that? Just like a little holder, and you put your beauty blender in it. How cute is that? So obviously, like after you use your beauty blender and it's a lot bigger, it'll like fit in there a little bit better, but that's pretty cool too. It just sits like that. That's cute, you guys. And it was $1. It's kind of like a silicone-y, rubbery feel to it. And there were like 4 different colors, so that's cute. And the next thing I got, so I had one of these. This is just a little thing that fits on the back of your phone. I'm sure everyone has one of these. Or the little pop sockets. I wanted to get one of those, but the cute ones were all sold out. So I got this. So much fun filming with kids. Okay, so yeah, so this just goes on the back of your phone, and it's kind of, hopefully it'll loosen up a little bit there. But yeah, so just so you can hold it like that. I don't even know where my phone is right now, so can't really test it out. But what is this part for? All right, you guys, the last thing I got for my little 4-year-old. She loves unicorns and jewelry and everything. So they had this little necklace on there, and it was $1. And it comes with a little rainbow, a unicorn, and then like a little jewel. And I thought that would be so cute. So I got this for her. And okay, so it's all connected. It's all one. It's probably gonna get really tangled. She likes to wear these to school, so my kids are starting to go crazy right now, so we're gonna wrap it up. This is everything I got. Like I said, that was so weird that I got a duplicate. I'm gonna definitely give them a call and see what's up. Hopefully I didn't get charged twice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with the quality. Oh, and she pooped. I'm really happy with the quality of everything. For being $1 for all the products, I'm kind of impressed. So yeah, if you guys need some, I mean the brushes I'm actually impressed with. I like them. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too all over the place, but welcome to my mom life. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.